Redeye coming through, mother. You know what I'm saying? Shit, nigga. Shit, nigga. I hear that? Yeah. Woo, motherfuckers. I'll come inside by 8 p.m. Hold up. And send a text to your DM. Hold up. 500 for your fucking name. We're taking Rex to Wayne today. I gotta do some more work to him. He'll be done probably a few days from now, but I'm about to get y'all some POVs. Effing the streets up while going to Wayne. And yeah, we about to really get to it though. Let's get though. So YouTube, listen, I'm about to F the streets up right now. We about to go a little crazy. But the windows are down, so let me know how it sounds. Bumpers in the back, like listen, like they're like one lane streets, so like if there's somebody in front of me, I can't mash, but trust and believe I will be mashing. Trust. They wanna hit the freeway? It's over. This shit is depressing, the hard times and the fuck shit. My daughter busting, I can't stand to see her upset. Gonna keep her from stressing, so don't worry, daddy up. Alright, YouTube, I'm about to show you how to hit the freeway like a real nigga. Like, this is how you hit the freeway like you're real, you know what I'm saying right now? Sport, we're in sport, okay. Come on, get out my way. Get the fuck out my way. Redeye coming through, mother. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Come on, hold on. One more windows up a little so y'all can hear me now. Like that. Hellcat. Hold on. We ain't done. Downships. Let's get it. Real nigga, boy. Yeah, boy. That's how you do it like a real nigga like that. That's how you drive. Real nigga. Real nigga. Hellcat. Redeye, boy. Guys, listen, the world's best mechanic, we hear you too. I'm at Wayne's garage, man. As you see Rex and the GOAT himself, Wayne. You need your car fixed, worked on, man. I'm telling you. Wayne is the chosen one. Wayne is the GOAT. I think the Uber guy in the front, too.
Yeah, I've seen him pull.
See him pull up?
Yep, here it comes.
It's coming up here?
Yeah.
So, guys, this is baby here. We're going out right now, man. Wayne, appreciate you, Wayne. Appreciate you so much, big guy. YouTube, listen, we back at the crib, man. Yes, dropped Rex off. Rex is doing his thing. About to get cosmetic work and stuff done to make him drive even better. As y'all seen. Boy, look, I'm gonna tear the streets up, you know what I'm saying? But look, though. Y'all want these cars, man. First thing first, it's possible. As you guys know, anything you want, you can get it. But you gotta pray. But when you pray, you gotta have faith. Look, have faith that you gonna get it and you gonna put the work in and get to it, bro. Anybody can get it, bro. Y'all know my story. I come from nothing. So listen, and I'm here. So you guys get these cars, man. Just work hard, man. Believe in yourself. And also, any questions you guys got, bro, hit the DM, hit the inbox, bro. I'm gonna answer y'all questions. I'm not gonna be like one of them fake people online. Oh, act too busy. Listen, honestly, yes, people get busy, but everybody not busy all day. They get the fuck. And I'll be busy, but I don't be busy all day like that. Hell no. So listen, I got you guys, man. Here, listen, we family here. Appreciate you guys, most definitely, man. And I'm going to try to get better video equipment so my videos longer, but I'm going to start doing POVs. I don't know how you guys feel about those videos yet, but let me know. Because listen, we going to bring this, you know what I'm saying? Listen, we turn it up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the club and she Tuesday. Club going up. Anyway, yes, I do got ADHD, but it's cool because like I'm still him, nigga. I'm still Timothy, boy. Yeah, though, man. So listen, I thank you guys for the journey with me here, man. Let's start road to 1,000 subscribers, man, and let's get to it. God first, everything will be added after that, and that's how we rocking, man. We giving glory to God over here. Cause without the Lord, without the Most High, by how a shot, man, I'm nothing. Listen, I'm not Him. So appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, man. Everybody that supports, thank you so much, man. And let's do the damn thing, man. Let's go. Yo, YouTube, it's your boy PlayboySRT. What it do? Listen, we just left the mall. Got a few little things. You dig? Hey, listen, go to Capital City Mall, man. If you in PA, I do shop there sometimes. You know what I'm saying? But it's a good day. Waiting for Rex to get done with Wayne. I'm gonna go pick his ass up later, man. And honestly, adding this new thermostat, and on top of the thermostat, getting the new brakes and stuff done, taking forever. Be like, I'm trying to be racing in these streets because there's a lot of Mustangs out there I don't like. All right, so guys, the young boys really did a good job with my Redeye, bro. These dudes really did a good job. I'm gonna put their Instagram in the video so you guys could go follow them young boys. But you see, they're really piecing my shit together though. Like they did Rex really fucking good, bro. And so we here. Rex is looking nice and sexy. The black. I just finished pumping gas, but shout out them young boys, man. Get your car detailed, fellas. Work hard, get your car detailed, because it's a big fucking difference. Look at this.